Good morning, Maple class. It is Monday. It is week 2 of lockdown learning, and I hope you are feeling ready to get going. Now, I am recording this on Friday, and then I look out the window at school. There is a smattering of what looks like snow on the ground, which is rather exciting. Probably not enough to do anything with, unfortunately, but still, always nice to see a bit of snow, in my opinion. As always with our morning fluency, I will put the link to the music in the description. I will share the screen, pause the screen, answer all of the questions, and then when you're ready, press play again, and I will go through our target questions as well as the one in the middle. So let's check to see, have I got it all in the right place? Okay, so here is your problems for today. Ignore the food options. Obviously, that is for the guys that are in school, but pause the screen, have a go at working through those questions. And when you're ready, when you've answered all 13 of them, unpause me and I will go through our target questions. So let's have a look at our target questions. So for addition, I've gone for 23,762 plus 15,938. These numbers, as you get bigger, they look scary, but with column method of addition, it's still the same process. So there's no need to look at the numbers and think, wow, they're too big for me to deal with. It's still exactly the same process. So can I delete this? 2 plus 8, because I always start off with my ones, is going to give me 10. So I'll put my 0 in there. I'm going to exchange 10 ones for 1 10 and pop that down there. 6 tens plus 3 tens is 9 tens, plus my exchange 10 give me 10 tens. I'm going to exchange 10 tens for 100, which means that I need another 0 here, and I can copy and paste that 1 from underneath. 700s plus 900s gives me 1600s, plus the extra 1 gives me 1700s. So I'm going to put the 7 there. I'm going to exchange 10 hundreds for 1,000. 3,000s plus 5,000s give me 8,000s, plus the extra 1 gives me 9,000s, and then 2 10,000s plus 1 10,000 gives me 3 10,000s. So 39,700, a nice pleasingly round number. 8 times 12. I could count up in my 8s, I could count up in my 12s, but with the 12s, I find a bit of a trick is to do 10 times 8 and then count on 2 more lots of 8, because we know that 12 times 8 is the same as 10 times 8 plus 2 times 10 times 8 is 88. 10 times 8 is 80. 88 is 96. So 96 is my answer. For 21 divided by 7, I'll count up in 7s until I reach 21. 7, 14, 21. So that is 3. And for my subtraction, 2 take away 7 I can't do. So we get the joy of me trying to use this. I need to borrow from next door. 12 take away 7 gives me 5. There we go. 7 take away 5 is 2. 1 take away 8 I can't do, so I get to draw another 5 with this. 11 take away 8 is 3. I think next time I do this, I'm going to have to pick numbers where I get lots of straight lines. And 5 take away 2 is also 3. So there we have 3,325, very, very erratically drawn. Now for our challenge in the middle, balance these number sentences. Now, sometimes we can think that equals means the answer is, but equals actually means is the same as. So if we've got a number sentence like this, where we've got 2 sums on either side, we need to make sure that both sides are balanced and that they are equal. So I'll move this up and we'll focus on one at a time. So 6 times 4 is 6, 12, 18, 24, which means that the other side also needs to equal 24. Now, if I count up in 8s, I can see how many 8s it takes me. So 8, 16, 24. So my missing number has to be 3, because it needs to be equal on both sides. And this means that both sides are equivalent to 24. Now, if I look at the next one, I haven't got 2 multiplication sums this time. I've got 1 addition and 1 multiplication. 12 and 3 is 15. So I need the other side to equal 15 as well. Something times 5 is 15. Hopefully you guys would know that, but if you're not sure, you can count up in fives until you reach 15, 5, 10, 15, 3 lots of 5 again gives you 15. So they're both 15 on either side. Next one, 7 squared is the same as 7 times 7, which I know is 49. And on the other side, it will need to equal 49 as well. So 54, take away something, has to equal 49, has to be the same on both sides. So that means that it has to be 5. And finally, because I am a horrible person, I have thrown in some Roman numerals. So x equals 10 and I equals 2. So 10 and 2 is 12, which means both sides need to be 12. 3 times, so 3, 6, 9, 12. 3 times 4 gives us 12. So that fills in our answer there. Hopefully you enjoyed that challenge. It's something slightly different. Send me your answers and let me know how you got on with your word of the day. I have popped a slide for that at the start of your SPAG lesson, so you can wait to see what it means on there and write your sentence using that.